Mastering everyday English. The meaning of stop and go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're diving into a commonly used expression, stop and go. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used in everyday English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, stop and go. It combines two simple verbs, stop, which means to cease movement or an action, and go, which means to move or proceed. When used together, they describe a situation where an action or movement is frequently starting and stopping, rather than occurring continuously. It's a back-and-forth pattern of pausing and moving. In everyday English, stop and go is often used to describe traffic conditions. For example, during rush hour, you might experience stop-and-go traffic, where the cars frequently halt and then move due to congestion. It can also be used metaphorically in different contexts, like describing a project at work that's progressing in a discontinuous or interrupted manner. Let's see some examples to understand how it's used in sentences. 1. Traffic context. I was late to the meeting because I was stuck in stop-and-go traffic on the highway. 2. Project context. Our renovation work is really stop and go. Some days we make a lot of progress, and other days we can't do anything. Notice how the phrase is adaptable to different situations but always conveys a sense of intermittent progress or movement. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, stop and go. It's a simple yet vivid way to describe situations where actions or movements are not smooth or continuous. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use stop and go in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!